Dr Mukul sang mau nong thau an ka TMC na songsak baru menteri rang ba barim ka jela Meghalaya ha ba yeshim bentah kamat yatai halor ka jingjenlei ka jingpenon kam drugs ha ka jela Meghalaya bala wan ra dong nong thau an ka nong kram uba arden mele basayomot ha ka si ba ar ka dorbar senrai ka ying dorbar thau an ha ka khat khandai tarik nai lur arjar pulai ula sei da ka dur ka badan ha ka mobile jong u ka bapen i yo menteri rang ba mentah jong ka jela u Conrad ki sang mau bo yoshondur lang ba u Henry lalram sanga ubla syak no ku munong khaïi dawai pynbuaid pseudo ephedrine bapa khmat na jala Mizoram bar ubra syak kem teng house nam arjar khatlai u Dr Mukul sang mau laong bakum kirisan hima kin habon husiar ka jingïadei bat kibri ki baran nam snio bat ka kam khaïi dawai pynbuaid Ulang bau Henry udiu khun jong MLA berim ke Congress ha Mizoram baru bola syak kem ringkat baru Arvind Ahuja khun jong MLA berim na Delhi u Ashok Ahuja ringkat baru nong nya kali jong u bat la kenno bagi khaïi ya kita ki dawai pynbuaid syak kelengi jela Shu u Dr Mukul laong bakatei kedur lasan ha kawai nagi program ha Delhi.
Now I'm more concerned about even us as politicians. We also have to be very, very careful about the people whom we meet, people who travel with us, people who come and join us in our parties, in our get-togethers, because they might take advantage of their association with us. Now I would, through you, Mr. Speaker, sir, inconsistent with the rules of executive business of this August House, want to share my concern pertaining to association of people who are in authority with people who are allegedly involved in drug peddling. Now, I am very disturbed, and I'm sure everybody will be disturbed by this very fact. Now, there was one of our colleagues in Indian National Congress who happened to be MLA from Mizoram. His son got arrested, and it is carried by many of the national newspapers. It is there with me also. Business Standard, April 23rd, 2013. And the news reads like this. This will be provided to the August House for the purpose of reference for the government. The article says that seizure of rupees 6 crore drugs, kingpin of gang, arrested. The text goes like this in a nutshell, only the initial para. A commerce graduate from Mizoram has been arrested in connection with the seizure of rupees 6 crore worth banned tablets here allegedly from the son of a former Congress MLA. Henry Lal Remsanga, whom police described as the kingpin of the gang, was arrested yesterday. He was coming from Mizoram and is involved in illegal trade along with Arvind Ahuja, son of the former MLA Ashok Ahuja, and his driver. I'm reading only the relevant portions since I want to make my submission very short. According to Additional Commissioner of Police, Crime, so-and-so, the trio allegedly supplied the substance tablets in Mizoram and other states of Northeast India. Other states of Northeast India, not just Mizoram. Now, it is more disturbing to me when I came across another vital information which showed me that he is one of the close associate of none other than our Honorable Chief Minister Sri Conrad. Yes. This is the photograph of the Honorable Chief Minister Sri Conrad Sama and his wife and Mr. Henry in one of a very high-profile program in Delhi. I was more inquisitive to know. I have to advise the Honorable CM to avoid this association with this man. Yes. Is he aware of this fact, background of this man? And this is a very high-profile event in Delhi. And I tried to find out also how did he manage to find a space in this kind of high-profile event, sharing the same table. Then I was informed that this sitting arrangement was requested by CM's office. So therefore, Mr. Speaker, sir, what I'm trying to say is that we got to be really careful of who we are associating with. We have to be. Otherwise, these people will have access. If they're traveling with us in the same convoy, with such a jet class category, you can see how many vehicles are in the front, in the behind, in the whole convoy. With VVIP given that jet plus category and having access to this kind of high profile events. Mr. Speaker, sir, therefore, the fight against these particular menace, it has become an important responsibility upon us. Therefore, we cannot behave like young boys and girls who would not be able to, part our ways from our old buddies who might have already gone astray and is using this. We have to also know whether these connect are being misused by them or not. Otherwise, our CM, our state will be unnecessarily subjected to that kind of different scrutiny. I think I'm happy to be able to bring this to the notice of the Honorable Chief Minister. Let him go through, let him scan the person concerned, and I will advise. I will give a suggestion and submission through you, Mr. Speaker, sir. We have to ensure that we delink our connection with this kind of people. I don't know whether the person concerned has been convicted or not, but unless proven not guilty, therefore, same thing stands unless proven guilty. Therefore, when a person is alleged to have been with such a national capital news of being the kingpin, the headlines say the kingpin. So therefore, Mr. Speaker, sir, I think we have many things to do. Let us be honest. Let us look at all the people around us. Let us ensure that the more aggressive campaign is carried forward, because this declaration has become a national declaration, not in respect of the state of Meghalaya only, but for the whole country. We have got the reply from the Honorable Deputy CM in charge of Nasha Mukt Bharat Pakwad. So we are all equally committed. This government is also equally committed. Therefore, we cannot shrug away from our responsibilities. We hope that things will be taken in right earnest with utmost sense of sincerity, and please do not get offended for alerting the dispensation